Hello everyone. Today we are again with the EVS book of class 4, Think Green. I hope you have understood chapter 1 of class 4 from my previous video. Now, today we shall discuss about inside our body. Which body parts are inside our body? One is outside that can be seen and one is inside that are covered with skin and our body. Other body parts. Okay, let us see. How does a computer function? It functions because of the CPU, monitor, keyboard, etc. Similarly, our body is like a computer. It works with the help of many parts. You can understand that computer has many parts. Few are visible and rest are inside the body. Look at your body and name some of the parts. You can experience hands, legs, eyes, ears, fingers, feet, etc. All these are the external organs of your body. When we sleep, these organs take rest. But there are some organs inside our body which work all the time even when you were asleep. Brain, heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, stomach, bones, and muscles. Yes, brain, heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, stomach, bones, and muscles are the internal organs of our body. Each organ has a special task to perform. Every body part does their own work. Fine. Now, here's a turn of brain. Let us see how does it work. The brain is soft and delicate organ in our head. Yes, very soft and delicate organ in our head, protected by the hard skull. Okay, hard skull protects brain inside. It is the control center of the body. Yes, brain controls the whole body. All our body activities, heartbeat, movement, breathing, posture, etc. are controlled by the brain only. Yes, what are the activities of brain? Brain controls heartbeat, movement, all body activities, breathing, posture, etc. Brain helps us to think and react to different situations. It stores information in the form of a memory bank that you observe when you can experience when you learn the things. It's a good memory bank. The human brain is like a supercomputer. Our sense organs send messages to the brain. The brain receives the messages and sends out signals through thread-like structures called nerves of two different parts of the body. This way our brain works. Our sense organs send message to the brain. Brain receives the message, send the signal through the thread-like structures, nerves to our body. Actually, the brain is the command center for the entire body. Wow. Our brain needs a continuous supply of blood and oxygen to function. Okay? Did you know? The left side of the brain controls the right side and vice versa. Heart. The heart is inside our chest. It works for us day and night to keep us alive. Yes, heart is very important part that you know. Place your hand on the left side of your chest. Place that. What do you feel? Now tell me, what do you feel? Close your eyes and feel what's there. You will feel your heartbeat. Have you heard that? Have you seen doctors use a stethoscope and listen the heartbeats? Same as you can put your hand and experience that heartbeats are there. Why does it beat all the time? Who does it? कैसे होती है? Have you ever thought about this? Heartbeat is a red brown colored muscular organ. Yes. It pumps blood to all parts of our body through blood vessels called arteries and veins. The arteries appear red in color and have thick walls. They carry pure blood from the heart to all parts of the body. This blood contains digested food, water, and oxygen. The veins appear blue in color and carry blood towards the heart. This blood contains carbon dioxide. So let us revise this. Heart is found inside our chest. It works day and night. It beats. Its beating is called heartbeat. It is a red-brown colored muscular organ. It pumps blood to all parts of body. Through which? Through blood vessels, arteries and veins. What are arteries? Arteries appear red in color and have thick walls. बहुत thick walls. Okay, they carry pure blood from the heart to all parts of body, like a tube. This blood contains digested food, water and oxygen. The veins appear blue in color and carry blood. This process continues and this is called circulation of blood. Okay? The blood circulates through the body about 1,000 times a day. Learn this. 1,000 times a day. If you join all the arteries and veins of the body, it would go halfway to the moon. Lungs. You can see here. On both sides of the heart are located two spongy air-fitted bags called lungs. Lungs help in taking in oxygen in our body. When we breathe in air through the nose, the lungs grow bigger and expand. When we inhale air, lungs grow bigger and expand like a balloon. In a balloon, we inhale air. जब उसमें एयर इनहेल करते हैं इट एक्सपेंड्स बड़ा हो जाता है सेम एज इज आर लंग्स दिस इज कॉल्ड इनहेलेशन द लंग्स एब्जॉर्ब ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम द एयर दैट वी ब्रेथ इन and send it to different parts of the body with the help of blood. The carbon dioxide brought by blood from different parts of the body is given out. We inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. When we breathe out, जब सांस छोड़ते हैं, the lungs contract. Contract means सिकुड़ जाते हैं. Okay? The air balloon blows down, कम हो जाता है, flat हो जाता है, and carbon dioxide rich air is thrown out of the nose. This is called exhalation. Inhalation, taking in of the air, and our lungs are full of air and are bigger in size. When we exhale air, the lungs become flat, air comes out, and that air is carbon dioxide. Okay? Now, human beings normally breathe in and out about 15 times in a minute. 15 times in a minute we breathe in and out. Stomach. Stomach is another important body organ. Touch your stomach. It helps to digest the food that we eat. Our body breaks down food into pieces. You know that? Small enough to the absorbed by the blood. इतना छोटा छोटा पीसेस अलग अलग सीक्रेट कर देते हैं. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज डाइजेशन. द ब्लड देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट्स डाइजेस्टेड फूड टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. व्हाट हैपन्स इन डाइजेशन. डाइजेशन में होता क्या? आप खाना खाते हैं, मुंह में डालते हैं, उसके बाद वो पेट में चला जाता है. आप उसे चबाते हैं, मीट छोटे छोटे पीसेस में कर देते हैं दांत से, टीथ से. ओके, and let us see what happens after that. The breaking down of food into small substances that the body can use is called digestion. Digestion begins in the mouth as we chew our food. After the food is chewed properly, we swallow it. ऐसा ही करते ना? It moves down into a tube called the food pipe to our stomach. ऐसा ही होता है? यस, बाकी अंदर का आपको नहीं पता है अंदर क्या चल रहा है ना. द स्टमक इज अ मस्कुलर बैग. अब इनसाइड एक मस्कुलर बैग है. ओके, दिस वन. द स्टमक वॉल रिलीजेस डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस, जैसे हमारे मुंह में सलाइवा होता है, दैट मिक्स विद द फूड. द फूड गेट्स चर्न इनटू अ पेस्ट. मिक्सी की तरह काम कर रहा होता है अब ये. फ्रॉम आवर स्टमक इट पासेस इनटू अ लॉन्ग थिन ट्यूब कॉल्ड द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. उसके बाद स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से एक पेस्ट सा बनकर निकल कर आता है. ऑल अलोंग द वे द फूड इज ब्रोकन डाउन मोर एंड मोर by the digestive juices. Yes, here you need to take care of these digestive juices. If these disturb, this causes many diseases of liver or stomach. Blood absorbs the digested food through the walls of the small intestine. The blood carries the digested nutrients to all the parts of the body. The undigested food passes into the large intestine and is later removed from the body as waste. We should chew our food properly. When we overeat, जब ज़्यादा खाना खा लेते हैं तो क्या होता है? कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया ज़्यादा खाने पर क्या होता है? It troubles our stomach and it aches. You get stomach ache. This is because our stomach can hold little food and water at a time. ज़्यादा खा लिया आपने, है ना. It takes about 3 to 5 hours for our body to digest the food. So better between 3 to 5 hours do not eat anything else. Once you have taken food, don't take anything after 3, 4, 5 hours so that it could be digested properly. Now liver is the largest internal organ of the body. This question comes most of the time, which is the largest internal organ of the body. So it's a liver. It lies on the right side of the stomach below the rib cage. It helps in digesting the food. The liver makes a digestive juice called bile. Yes, name of the juice is bile. It digests fats by baking food items like oil, butter into tiny droplets. We must avoid eating too much oily and spicy food. Let us know about kidneys. We see that we all have 2 kidneys, one to left, right. They are bean shaped. You can see these are bean shaped, reddish brown colored organ placed in the abdomen. Abdomen means पेट में अंदर, towards our back. Our body produces waste products other than carbon dioxide. These are removed from the body by the kidneys, and kidneys filter means साफ करती हैं the liquid waste from the blood, and it is thrown out in the form of urine. और जो भी वेस्ट निकलता है, जो भी उसको प्यूरिफाई करती हैं, फिल्टर करती हैं, और फिल्टर करने के बाद जैसे एक्वागार्ड में आपका एक वेस्ट वाटर अलग से निकलता रहता है, ऐसे ही इसमें से वेस्ट निकलता है और उस वेस्ट को हम क्या कहते हैं? यूरिन. We should drink plenty of water to help our kidneys remove the poisonous waste easily. Poisonous waste means to say poison थोड़ी ना खाएं, but the water and impurities in the water or whatever is not required to our body, that comes out, and it's like it washes our body parts, internal body parts, and then it comes out. Fine. Now bones and muscles. Yes, you can see here bones and muscles. Press your hand against your chest. You feel a hard structure. These are bones. Bones protect the soft and delicate organs of our body. They hold our body up and give it support and a firm shape. हमारे बॉडी को शेप देती है बोन्स और हमारा स्ट्रक्चर खड़ा रहता है. There are 206 bones. Yes, remember this, 206 bones in a fully grown human being. These bones form the skeleton of the human body. Muscles help the bones to move. They are fleshy tissues which are connected to the bones by cords like tendons. Remember this, what are tendons, what are muscles, what are tissues. Contraction and relaxation of muscles cause movement of bones so that we can walk, run, jump, and play. There are about 650 muscles in a human body. We need 200 muscles to take just one step. The strongest muscle in our body is in the jaw. Jaw means javda, movement. Okay. Now you will learn difficult words also. Difficult word was what are called veins. Veins were the blue blood vessels that carry the impure blood to the heart. What are arteries? Arteries, a tube that carries blood from the heart to other body parts. Nutrients, substances needed by living things to live and grow. Bile, a digestive juice produced by liver. Skeleton, the framework of bones in our body. And tendons, yes, strong fibers that connect muscles to veins. I suggest you to read this twice and thrice and ask questions to yourself. Frame your own questions to learn it in better way and for better memory. Okay, that's all for today. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.